Hi guys, welcome to Run Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing this great silicone case for my braces. It's a real retainer, really great product. It works amazing. You just have to squeeze and it opens up and it magnetically closes really fast. So it's a strong hold, so they won't fall out of this. And what's great is that it has holes on the bottom, so you can wash them, disinfect them, and that way it'll drain and nothing will stay on them. So really great. This is portable. You could throw it in your wallet with you, in your bag. Take it everywhere with you. That way you can take on and off your retainer and put it away in this. This is really great. No fingerprints, nothing. It won't get dirty. Super easy to clean. You can wash it and everything. So, and the color is really nice. I love it. Very smooth, very strong. So really great. I'm going to show you. Again, you just open it up and you can go ahead and put your right there, put them inside. As you can see, they both fit in there perfect and nice and convenient. I love it. It protects them also because it's nice and thick, so it's going to protect them from not breaking. So really great. Highly recommend it. It's a great product, especially if you have retainers or Invisalign, like me. So really great. Highly recommend it, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.